Guys, check out this beast. 6.2 liters of raw power, lifted, massive. There's a factory muffler exhaust system we just cut off. Let me show you what we did on this thing. That's what you call a nice Hummer. Wow. Look at this thing. It's magnificent. It's a beast. Look at what we did. Side pipes. So anyways, hold on. You can see it from this side. It's massive, 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 massive. Some huge 40 by 15 and a half, 24, 24s. Look at them. Look at them. Woo. Woo. It is really nicely done, guys. I like it. That's a freaking Hummer. That's how Hummer should have came from the start. I love that. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter, wires into a single 3.5-inch pipe. Then we added 2.5-inch pipe over the rear, over the frame right there, and did a crazy tip design. Because, you know, why not? Who cares? On a car like this, it needs something crazy. Check that out, guys. That is freaking awesome. I love it. Don't you guys agree? I love it. Anyways, there's the tip, carbon fiber. Out the side, over the frame, and over and under. My boy hooked it up. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Stay tuned. And it's got an 8-inch lift on it, guys, too. So if you guys were wondering how big of a lift, it is an 8-inch. That sounds mean. I love it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 103. Let me get closer for you guys. Crazy pop to it. 6.2 liter H2. 410. Crazy graphics, I like it. I have to back up so much to get it into the... Such a big car. Perfect color design. It's wrapped. You got it wrapped, right? Yeah, it's a nice wrap on it. That's nice. That's really nice. It is. Woo. That's a mean beast right there, man. It is such a beautiful vehicle. Wow. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Let you guys hear it on the inside. H2, fully custom. Look at this beast. I really like it. I don't know why, but I really do. That's a massive beast right there, man. 8-inch lift. It just fits the car, you know, I think. With the wrap and the color and everything, light bar, and the mean look in the front. That's cool.